Alright, let's unlock 7 secret websites that'll feel like cheating at life. Number 1. Remove.bg. Ever struggled with messy backgrounds in your photos? Just upload your image and boom, only the subject remains. Perfect for clean graphics or social posts, and it's free for basic use. Second up, TinyWow. Imagine every file problem you run into. PDFs, videos, images, you name it, and a website that fixes it for free with no sign-up. Need to shrink a PDF, convert a file, or edit a photo? TinyWow's your Swiss Army knife. Number 3, temp-mail.org. Sick of getting spammed or worried about privacy? TempMail gives you disposable email addresses instantly. Use one for sign-ups and your real inbox stays clean. Absolute game changer. Fourth, have I been pillioned? And yes, that's really the name. Enter your email to see if it's been caught up in any data breaches. It's a wake-up call and lets you lock down your security before it's too late. Fifth is Just Watch. Ever spent 20 minutes searching for where to stream a movie or show? Type the title, pick your country, and Just Watch shows you every legal option instantly. No more aimless scrolling. Number 6, Photopea. This is Photoshop power in your browser, but totally free. Whether it's quick touch-ups or full-on design work, Photopea nails it. No downloads, no cost, just creativity unleashed. And finally, Down for Everyone or Just Me. You know those moments when a site won't load and you're not sure if it's only you? Paste the link here and it tells you in seconds. Simple, but so satisfying. Try these out. Seriously, they're my secret weapons for working smarter, not harder. Which one blew your mind? Let me know below.